way to Froggy's for bike night.
We're gonna drive.
We gotta make the best of it. So we brought the dog.
Probably.
He's gonna have the best time. The sky is so pretty right now.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy skies.
Hey, stop pulling.
Oh, he's just so excited. I'm also so excited.
Hell yeah, brother. Here's first ever bike night. Big deal. They should be.
Damn.
Hi. So Daytona, bike nights in Daytona are a lot different than back home. So you got little choppers with sprinters on the front end. You got a bunch of cool builds. It's not just a bunch of street bikes, road glides. And I own a road glide. There's a little bit of everything. It's pretty damn cool. My friends should be showing up soon.
And beers are $2.
$2 bush.
We got her 07 Super 5.
One friend showed up. I got one friend, guys.
There's more up front.
You having fun? He's having a great. Dang. No, this Softail was here last one we were at. This thing's cool. There's even spaceships.
Like I was at the bar just getting
Oh, really? And check out the trash setup on this road glide. This thing's nasty. That would be a lot of fun. Gotta show them off, man. And then I gotta show you these headlights, guys. These are the new Kraus setup, the Denali's. So you get the amber, and then they have the yellow, and those are actually removable. So you can pop them on and off. Freaking sweet. Ooh. Is this yours?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Do you have a name for it?
No, I don't.
No name? You gotta have a name. You gotta have a name. My wife names all my bikes. I dig it. It's cool. You need a turbo on this. We gotta hear this thing. Wow. I want mine to sound like that. I want mine to sound like that. Be safe, man. Sounds like a 7.3. Now, I'm not a Honda guy, but this thing is pretty cool. The way they got this thing set up. Cool. Ooh. Oh. Shovel. Whose is this? That's a Honda, right?
That's this guy.
That's a Honda, isn't it?
Right here. This is a beautiful bike.
It is a
Don't
beautiful
take pictures
bike.
of it. You can't take pictures
No
of it.
pictures?
No pictures.
Oh, man. Okay.
Wait, let's see what a real pipe looks like.
Woo!
That's what a real pipe looks like.
Comment below what pipe this is. If you know anything, you know anything.
I got my shit in there, tucked under the seat from the V8 today. I shoved it up under there to ride home. I totally forgot that I had it in there.
Forward clutch. That's a Polaris. I never heard a Polaris sound like that.
phone. I'm trying to get a flip dick.
Hey, it is what you like. What you like, man.
Fucking A, right?
I'm not gonna judge you.
We are bringing flip phones back. I'm Nick from Weird.
That's sick, dude. That paint.
See a little bit of hints from the old bike.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. I dig it. Dig it. What's your name, man?
Anthony.
Anthony. So, I met Anthony from the Drifter Drags. Where are you from originally?
Upstate New York, Syracuse, New York.
Okay, so it's like a melting pot down here, is what I figured out. Everybody's kind of from everywhere, but he stunt rides, he's a wheelie guy, he does the drift stuff. You'll be out there on Biketoberfest, so Friday, Saturday.
Biketoberfest.
Yeah, they're doing a Saddleman event, but yeah, he just got this thing thrown together. That's sexy, dude. I dig the color of it. Who did the paint?
I got it like that.
Set up like that? Oh, no shit. Nice, dude. Reminds me of my old bike.
I'm an air ride guy.
Yeah.
It's all got to be on air ride.
Oh, of course. Oh, you even got the card on? That's awesome. Dude, that's badass. That's cool. I dig it, dude.
You see the T-bars, dude? They're fucking all clean in there, dude.
That is super clean.
All chromed out, did all the fucking chrome masters.
Yeah. No, it's like, it's
all
classy, but
bars,
clean.
dude.
Yeah. No, I'd fucking wreck the shit.
Got
out
my
of it.
Weird Performance logo in the
There you go. I love it, dude. I love it. I'm old school. I had a 96 Evo Heritage before I moved, and I got rid of it before I moved. But
So this was an original Florida Highway Patrol street glide.
really,
So the road glides start getting released on the comp bikes in 22 or 23. So I hit up Teddy Morris and I said, hey, you guys can get me the Florida Highway Patrol birch white, emerald green with the gold stripe. And they said, yeah, we can do it. So I ordered it straight from Teddy Morris.
yeah, that's sick, man.
And then
I dig it.
emerald green inner. My buddy painted it. Did all the other stuff, but like I said, like all the gauges, it's all clean.
Yeah.
The T-bars.
Super clean.
And it's all CVL switch, so I can go
Yep.
right off.
Yep, that's a must. You got to if you're not running that, even if you don't have T-bars.
Yeah, yeah.
Silly.
Did all the chrome bars around from the electric glide.
Yeah.
Same with all the stuff on the bag. Had a
light.
tour pack painted to match.
That's sick. That's cool. I love it. I love it. If you guys don't know, introduce yourself. Who are you?
Nick from Weird Performance in Ormond Beach, Florida. Right next to Iron Horse in the old Choppers Inc. building.
Oh yeah. So he's the big wheel, lay frame, air ride, all that kind of cool stuff. Do you know Ricky Barge?
Yep.
That's my boy. So
I sold him a lot of parts for that bike.
Yeah? No shit. So I came down to Bike Week with him and stayed with him this past year.
Oh, yeah,
That's who I came down with. He's from my hometown, so. Yeah, shout out Ricky. But hell yeah, man. Go check out Weird Performance. I'll be going over doing some video with Nick. It's easy to remember your name. I'm not good with names, but I can remember that. I'll be going over doing some videos with him, showing you guys what he got. I was sitting here and I was looking at this thing and I didn't know it was his bike until he brought it up and I was like, no shit. That tank badge, that color, it looks like a classic older bike, but it's not. It's an
I
MA.
got it, man. It like everyone thinks it's an old bike, and then they see the Milwaukee 8 and they're like, holy shit.
I was thinking that, but I didn't want to say it. Sick. Have an open primary.
Hoyer had a very successful first bike night.
He did good.
Happy boys.
He got petted and loved.
We had the best time.
Bike nights here are a little bit different than back in Indiana. A little bit
In the
better.
best way.
Just saying.
No. But thanks for coming with us. It was a great time.
Thanks for coming. Make sure you hit that like button, that share button, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Love you. Say it back.